or Obersachach, working in the house. And Rev she sasta erdus, so was she happy at first? Erdus means at first. Ni Rev, okay. Right, the agla or she was afraid, right? Okay, number 8. Darlesh and engel ke'avi sasta lesh a man. So darlesh means darle means according to. So darlomsa would be according to me. Darlesh and engel according to the angel. Ke'avi, who was sastalesh, a man, contented with the woman or happy with the woman. Dia, right. Okay. Right. Vi Gia sastale, so that was contented with her. Kad ave a man, so what will the woman have? Huh? Right. Ma, Lana, right. Okay. I guess Kesajet Ken Tanama Hurry and Van Aramak. Isa. Okay? So Ken Tanam, what name a Hurry will give the woman on her son?
Or he, she, Isha, Isa.
Okay, let's see. We can do the poem or we can do bingo. You guys probably want to do bingo, huh?
Bingo.
Yeah.
It helps us learn.
Yeah, okay. Christmas bingo.
Go ahead and swing on the kitchen table. There's the bingo thingy up, and it's all pretty colorful. My dad was at Houston on Gillick, and you got to the first one, and it was bought for both you. There's a here. What? What's this? This is like my book's bad.
Is the poem at the end?
Yeah, I'll do the poem. And forward is the fall.
Oh, I thought you were
Okay, forward. So I'll read it. Jarag down orashta agus bui, tosi na diloga kichim shis, nor hitin na diloga, being an turlar mar carpet orashta, nor a hasan to air, janin she toran kraha. Chain na hang go jin na tir hache, beju go Mexico, nu go Morocco, tagin shanin shaka amach saniha, agus nor a being she krihnaha, being gathrod baniha. So, we should know the colors: Jarag red, down brown, Orashta is orange, agus Pui is yellow. Tosian begin, Nadilyoga the leaves, like Chichim falling, Shias down. Nur is when, Nur Hitchin when fall, Nadilyoga the leaves. Bean and Perlar the floor or the ground does be. Mar carpet like a carpet, Orashta orange. Nora Hassan to air when you stand on it. Shasa stand, Hassan, Nora Shasan stands. And when you stand on it, Jane and Shay it makes Toran Kracha. Toran is a noise, Kracha is like trembling, shaking noise. Okay? Chain the hain, go the birds go, Goji is two, Nachir Hache, the lands that are hot, the hot lands. Bajor is perhaps go Mexico to Mexico. Nu is or here. Go Morocco to Morocco. Tagan is comes. Shanin Shaka is Johnny the Frost or like Jack Frost. Okay. Amach is out. Sanika at night. Agus and Nur Avinshe when he does be Krihinha finished. Bien is do be Goth Road everything. Baniha is whitened. Bon is white. Baniha. Okay. Ain. Yeah. I'd put a relatively literal translation on there, so it ought to.
I thought Ainini was bird.
Ainini are little birds. So An is a bird. Ain are birds. Ainin is a little bird. Ainini. Okay. Go through the words quickly on here, and then we'll play a round or two. Angel is angle. Donkey is ossel. A bull, bolgon. Present, brontanus. Snowflake, kolog hnachta. Kolog hnachta. There's no sh sound in it. Hnachta. That's an F. That's an H sound. Hnachta. And kaloga, by the way, are cereal because it's or kaloga arwur is corn cereal or cornflakes. Okay. Sled, car, slaunon. Slowen is slidey, so very slippery. So Costine or chestnuts. Costine.
They're what?
Chestnuts. Clog is a bell, also a clock. Cluharchan is elf. Cluharchan. Manger is Moncher. Christmas tree, Crown Nollag. Holly, I guess, is Quillan. And Father Christmas, Daddy na Nollag. And what's the name of this? The Wren. Yeah, Droline. And mistletoe, Drulis. And then ivy is Einan. And then snowman, Verschnachta. Sun is Green. Ham is Lewis. Snowball is Leroy Schnachta. And then Christmas pudding, Marog na Nollag. Cranberries, Monoga. Mary is Mura. Star, Realta. And a reindeer, Rain Ia. So Fia is a deer, Rain Ia is a reindeer. Ribbon is Ribbing. Chimney, Shimlair. Snow is Schnachta. Stocking, Stocka. And fireplace, Tinton. The expression Irish, Neil Ain Tinton mar de Hinton Hain. So there's no fireplace like your own fireplace. All right. Okay.